Hi friend, we are going to learn first unit and sub-unit is 1.1 walk a little slower. Friends, in the previous video, we have seen this poem and now in this video, we will see English workshop. First question is, read the poem aloud. Second question, put the words given in bracket in the proper blank. Here, answers are given. Answers are shown in these sentences. The dash is talking to its dash and the words are given in this bracket. The child is walking to its father. Next, the father is leading and the child is following. The answers are given. Next, someday the child will become a father. Here, child is the word and here father is the word are given. Here, child is and father, these words are given. Next, the child does not wish to fall while following its father. Child and father. Next, third question. Find and write pairs of rhyming words from the poem. Words that appear at the end of the line. Small, all. See, me. Be, me. Through, you. These rhyming pairs were given in the previous video. Question number 4. The meaning of the words in the following pairs show that they are related. Here, daddy, father, and a related word, child. Follow, a related words, lead. Find 5 more pairs of related words. Examples, teacher, doctor, give. Related word, teacher, student. Doctor, patient. Give, take. Owner, servant. Come, go. Question number 5. The child in the poem requests his father to walk slower. Here, the poet implies that the child wants to understand his father's actions better. The child would like to act the same way, but wants the father to be more understanding towards the child's need. What is implied in the following lines? First, sometimes your steps are fast. Second, sometimes your steps are hard to see. Next, I would want to lead just right and know that I was true. Here are answers. Sometimes the father's actions are too quick for the child to follow them properly. Second, sometimes the actions of the father are so difficult that the child cannot understand, observe, and act accordingly. Next, the child who is grown up now wants to guide his child correctly in the journey of his life. Last one, the grown-up child is confident about his opinions, judgments, and actions in his life. He was correct and sincere throughout his life, like his father. Question number 6. Using your own ideas, frame 3 sentences that show continuous action. Examples, you are leading me. Answer. My elder sister was helping me with my studies. Second, he is making us laugh. Third, our team players are gaining confidence. Question number 7. Using your own ideas, frame at least 3 sentences that show future action or step. Examples. Who will, into bracket, who will want to follow me? Next, when I am all grown up. Answer. Who will want to participate in the elocution competition? Second, when I am in standard 10. Next one, they are going to arrive tomorrow. And last one, I will be 16 years old in 2018. Next, discuss the following and write the summary of your discussion in the form of bullet point. First, how are certain ideas or customs, knowledge passed on from one generation to the next? Here, allow students to write on their own in activity 7. Here, their confidence and expressions are more important than grammatical accuracy. Next, is it necessary for children to follow the footsteps of their forefathers? If yes, why? Why is it sometimes necessary to change the old ways? Answers are given. A. Preserved by forefathers and pass on to new generation. Second, continue to exist till this date. Mythological literature, Vedas, folklores, fables, and arts instill cultural values into them. Next, known to them through celebrations of festival and religious ceremonies. Every community wants to preserve their cultural heritage because of their conservative mindset. B. As it is necessary to follow the footsteps of our forefathers because of its importance in life and the moral values it involves. Next, sometimes it is necessary to change the old ways because many of the traditions and customs are based on superstitions which cannot be explained by reason or science. have to accept good modern ideas to safeguard the moral standard of people which is declining everywhere. Question number 9. Do you have a role model? What qualities do you appreciate in your role model? The answer, my role model is Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, the former President of India. He was known as the Missile Man, the man behind India's missile program. I appreciate his intelligence, dedication to his duty, hard work, serenity, and simplicity. His commitment to inspire and guide the youth of India. There was no change in simplicity, politeness, humility, and thoughtfulness, even in its capacity as the president. Question number 10. Within 2 minutes, write as many phrases or sentences as you can using a little, a little later, wait a little longer, just a little to the left, a little higher. These are phrases. And wait a little longer is it's a sentence. Answer, a little while. I need a little more time. Move a little forward. A little earlier. A little smaller. You just need a little bit of love. Next, a little old lady. Quite a little milk. A little confusion. I found him a little smarter. A little improved. Okay, friend, we have taken workshop in this video. Now, this workshop note down in your notebook. Thank you.